How to ignore or block all WhatsApp calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. In order to turn off or disable WhatsApp calls, simply launch WhatsApp, navigate to three dots at top right, select Settings, scroll down, tap Notifications, and find the option to disable WhatsApp calls. If you do not get here, you need to exit from WhatsApp, open your Android phone settings, select Apps, tap App Management, and search for WhatsApp. Open its App Info section, tap Manage Notifications, and make sure you turn on Allow Notification button to make the changes. Now scroll down and tap on Other Notifications and turn off the button for Other Notifications. Also, make sure that you turn off the button for silent notifications. And if you get the option of call notification, you simply need to turn off for call notification as well. By following this step, you can ignore or block all WhatsApp call. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.